Most people think learning takes years. Want to speak a language? 2 years minimum.
A lifetime. But what if I told you that's complete nonsense? What if the fastest learners aren't more talented?
They just know 3 simple tricks that cut learning time by 80%. It's almost unfair.
I'm about to show you exactly how they do it. You'll never approach learning the same way again. Chapter 1. The secret 20%. The first trick sounds almost too simple to work. But it's the secret every fast learner knows. Here's what most people get wrong.
They try to learn everything. Every grammar rule, every chord progression, every line of code. But here's the thing that nobody tells you. Most of what you could learn is completely useless.
There's this hidden pattern in every skill. Just 20% of what you could possibly learn will give you 80% of the results. The other 80% is just noise. Think about guitar. Attempt 73.
There are thousands of chords, but mastering just 4 lets you play 80% of popular songs.
Most people spend months learning obscure chords they'll never use, while the smart ones focus on those 4 and start playing real songs within weeks. The key is asking yourself, what's the absolute minimum I need to know to get real results? Find that crucial 20%. Ignore everything else until you've mastered it. Here's how to make it manageable. That's where the second trick comes in. The drill down method.
Most people practice the whole skill over and over, hoping they'll eventually get better.
But the fastest learners do something different. They isolate their weakest point and drill just that piece until it becomes automatic. Let's say you're learning public speaking, and you keep losing your audience. Don't practice entire speeches. Instead, drill down.
Is it your eye contact? Practice just maintaining eye contact for 30 seconds at a time. Is it your gestures? Stand in front of a mirror and practice just hand movements. Once that piece becomes automatic, layer it back into the full skill.
It just happens, so you can focus on the next weak point.
This is why some people seem to improve impossibly fast. They're not practicing more, they're practicing smarter. Most people forget 90% of what they learn within a week. You know what's actually unfair?